Have you ever wondered why we think the way we do? Every day, we make decisions, big or small. Philosophy helps us think clearly.
For thousands of years, people have studied life and asked important questions.
Philosophy teaches us about right and wrong, helping us make better choices.
It trains our mind to think clearly, question ideas, and solve problems.
Philosophy helps us understand ourselves, our thoughts, feelings, and values.
Life is full of challenges. Philosophy gives us tools to face them wisely.
It helps us think about what really makes us happy and content in life.
Philosophy teaches ethics, how our actions affect others and society.
It encourages us to question rules, traditions, and beliefs around us.
Philosophy shows us that mistakes are lessons, helping us grow smarter and wiser.
It gives perspective on life, making small problems seem less scary.
Philosophy trains us to think logically and solve problems creatively.
It helps us understand others, improving empathy and communication.
Philosophy guides us to make choices that are meaningful and fulfilling.
It helps us face uncertainty in life with courage and clarity.
Philosophy connects us to centuries of wisdom from great thinkers.
It teaches mindfulness, living in the moment, and appreciating life.
By applying philosophy, even small actions can make life richer and wiser.
Remember, philosophy isn't just for books, it's for living a better life.